there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, we have another company that we want you to put on your radar this week as we head towards the weekend. Pull up SPRC immediately. In the dynamic world of biotech and pharmaceuticals, SciParc Limited, SPRC on the NASDAQ, is carving out a unique niche. Amidst significant market fluctuations earlier this year, the company is demonstrating resilience and innovation through strategic clinical and corporate initiatives. These efforts are not only stabilizing the company, but also setting the stage for substantial long-term growth. With groundbreaking clinical trials and bold spin-off strategies, SciParc is on a path to unlock considerable value for its shareholders. As the company continues to make strides in medical research and strategic business moves, investors have ample reasons to be optimistic about SciParc's future potential. SPRC is emerging as a noteworthy player in the biotech and pharmaceutical sector despite facing significant market fluctuations earlier this year. And you can see the spikes, and we're down here trading near 52 weeks lows. The company is actively pursuing clinical and corporate strategies aimed at achieving stability and long-term growth, thereby enhancing shareholder value. SciParc is advancing its clinical research with a robust pipeline of trials targeting major neurological diseases. Key projects include first, Tourette's syndrome. A phase 2B trial for SCI-110 is underway, presenting a potential breakthrough for this condition. 2. Alzheimer's disease. A phase 2 trial has been completed, offering promising insights for future treatments. 3. Autism spectrum disorder. A notable trial for SCI-210 focusing on children with autism is in progress. This double-blind placebo-controlled trial aims to address core symptoms of autism, potentially improving the quality of life for affected children and their families. SciParc's recent patent acquisitions, including those for the treatment and prevention of depression, further bolster its competitive edge and intellectual property portfolio. The company has 4 main candidates in various stages of clinical development. SPRC also has a controlling interest in a company that sells hemp oil-based products on Amazon. Back in April, SPRC pulled an unorthodox move and acquired a company called Automax Motors Limited, which is a leading Israeli auto importer. Strange move for a pharma company, no? If you keep following the story, then just last week when SPRC announced a non-binding letter of intent to spin off its advanced clinical stage pharmaceutical portfolio and its equity stake in SciParc Nutraceuticals, Inc., which holds the hemp Amazon business. Those assets are valued at roughly $11.6 million under the agreement. The company is still in negotiations with Canada-based NYSE 3 Ventures, Inc. about the spinoff, but the press release says SPRC will gain a controlling interest in NYSE as part of the deal. One could ultimately conclude that SPRC itself will be focused on the auto importing business while the Canada business will move to Canada under NYSE. Automax reported strong revenues of more than $112 million in 2023. You can see that activity has started picking up on Tuesday when the company put out news regarding a new patent application. SPRC exploded all the way to $1.31 after closing at 82 cents the day before. It has pulled back quite a bit off the recent highs and is continuing to see above average interest. This is a great time to start researching this one. According to FinViz, the float is just 2.45 million shares. But don't just take our word for it, start your research. To read our full report on SPRC, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, Wall Street's tech-heavy NASDAQ Composite on Wednesday posted its worst session since September 2022 as chip stocks across the globe took a hit on U.S.-China trade curb worries. On the other hand, the blue chip Dow surpassed and closed above the historic 41,000 points level for the first time ever, buoyed by yet another post-earnings jump in one of its components. It climbed 0.6% to settle at 41,198. Chip stocks including ASML paced the sell-off on the NASDAQ 100 on Wednesday with a mix of geopolitical and trade fears and a market rotation, leaving the index with its worst loss so far in 2024. So basically, money is coming out of big tech, going into the Russell 2000. Stanley Druckenmiller, who is the GOAT, he highlighted this one a few months ago that this was he was positioned for a move in IWM, and you can see we got that big spike from 200 to 225. So again, a 10% move in a week. U.S. presidential candidate Donald Trump, he's saying that Taiwan should pay the U.S. to protect it from neighboring China, and in terms of monetary policy, Fed Governor Christopher Waller grabbed some attention, and he said that the central bank was getting closer to cutting interest rates. So market expectations are for an interest rate cut in September. However, presidential candidate Donald Trump said that the Fed should not play politics and cut before the election. So we shall see. Furthermore, the Fed's latest Beige Book signaled that U.S. economic activity grew at a slight to modest pace in most districts. Next, AEHR is really putting a hurting on the shorts. Over 21% of the float is short. The stock is down 60% in the past year, so there is a lot more room for this stock to run, and now we are above the major moving averages on AEHR, so blue skies ahead. The semiconductor testing company reported fiscal fourth quarter results that topped estimates and offered guidance for the next fiscal year that was well above Wall Street's forecast. Separately, AEHR said it was going to acquire Incal Technology for $21 million, including $14 million in cash. Also watching TKNO. This is Alpha Technova, an almost $15 million insider buy in a $1 or just under $2 stock. This is one of the biggest insider buys I've seen in a small cap stock in a long time. So right here at $1.24, you see it in here. They've been loading up on this name. So certainly a lot more room for this one to go. I always watch insider buying. That is very, very a key indicator that we follow here at Insider Financial. Lastly, INM. This is another low floater on watch for tomorrow. Just a $900,000 market cap, float just 3.29 million shares, and it's trading at just 27 cents. And you can see a lot of chatter. Stocks Rockman, he's all over this one. Real Earn Franklin, these are two guys that we follow. OG Tigris, they're really been covering this one. So put this one on your radar screen for tomorrow. And again, good luck to all except the shorts. I will also be scanning pre-mark as I do each and every trading day, and if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know, and that's why it's so important to sign up, guys. And again, it's completely free. However, Thursday's primary focus is SPRC. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I've repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on SPRC. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.